Hello everyone, welcome back to Study Halt. In today's video, we will deal with questions from non-nursing subjects. So let's start the video. Question 1. Which is the largest state of India by area? So, the correct answer is Rajasthan. Yes students, Rajasthan is the biggest state in terms of area in India. Question 2. Which is the longest river in the world? The answer is Nile River. It flows through Africa and is the longest river on earth. Question 3. Which is the highest mountain on earth? The correct answer is Mount Everest. It is the tallest peak in the world, located in the Himalayas. Question 4. Which is the longest river in India? The answer is Ganga River. It is the most sacred and longest river of India. Question 5. Which is the largest island in the world? The correct answer is Greenland. Yes, Greenland is the biggest island by area in the world. Question 6. Which is the driest place in India? The answer is Leh, Ladakh. It receives very little rainfall, making it the driest region in India. Question 7. Which continent is called the White Continent? The correct answer is Antarctica, because it's completely covered with snow and ice all year round. Question 8. Which is the largest desert in the world? The answer is Sahara Desert. It is located in North Africa and is the world's largest hot desert. Question 9. What is the name of Earth's outermost layer? The correct answer is crust. That's the top layer of the earth where we live. Question 10. Which is the highest waterfall in India? The answer is Kunchikal Waterfall, Karnataka. Question 11. Which is the smallest country in the world by area? The correct answer is Vatican City. It is located in Europe and is the smallest independent country in the world. Question 12. Which is the deepest ocean in the world? The answer is Pacific Ocean. Yes, the Pacific is not only the largest but also the deepest ocean on earth. Question 13. Which Indian state is known as the Land of Five Rivers? The correct answer is Punjab. The name Punjab itself means Land of Five Rivers. Question 14. Which is the hottest place in the world? The answer to is Death Valley, California. It records some of the highest temperatures ever on earth. Question 15. Which country has the largest population in the world? The correct answer is China. Although India is very close, China still holds the top position. Question 16. What is the name of the line that divides the earth into northern and southern hemispheres? The answer is equator. Yes, the equator is the imaginary line that divides the earth into two equal halves. Question 17. Which mountain range separates Europe and Asia? The correct answer is Ural Mountains. It acts as a natural boundary between the two continents. Question 18. Which is the coldest place on earth? The answer is Vostok Station, Antarctica. It holds the record for the lowest temperature ever recorded. Question 19. Which Indian river is also called the Sorrow of Bengal? The correct answer is Damodar River. It used to cause frequent floods in Bengal, hence the name. Question 20. What is the standard meridian of India? The answer is 82.5 degrees east longitude. It is used as the basis for Indian Standard Time, IST. If you like this video then please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.